Welcome back to Life Fact Hacks, your go-to channel for tech tips and tricks. Today, I am bringing you 25 must-have apps that will elevate your Samsung's experience. From productivity to entertainment, there is something for everyone. Let's dive in. Category 1, Productivity Apps. Number 1, Microsoft Office Suite. Whether you are editing document, creating spreadsheet or making presentation, Microsoft Office is essential for work and school. Number 2, Samsung Notes. Don't overlook Samsung's own Note app, perfect for jotting down ideas, syncing across devices, and adding images or voice memos. Number 3, Google Keep. An alternative for notes with cross-platform support. Create lists and reminders and collaborate with others easily. Number 4, Evernote. Go beyond basic notes with Evernote. Organize tasks, scan documents, and even attach PDFs for a complete productivity suite. Number 5, Trello. Organize your project and tasks visually with Trello, perfect for team collaboration or managing personal goals. Category 2, File Management and Cloud Storage. Number 6, Solid Explorer. Take full control of your files with Solid Explorer. Manage internal storage, SD card and cloud drives with ease. Number 7, Google Drive. Seamlessly store and share your documents, photos and files with Google's Drive generous free storage. Number 8, Dropbox. A popular cloud storage option that make it easy to sync files across all your devices. Category 3, Communication and Social Apps. Number 9, WhatsApp. Still the most widely used messaging app for connecting with friends and family worldwide. Number 10, Telegram. Looking for privacy and lots of features. Telegram offers secure chat, file sharing, and large group functionality. Number 11, Microsoft Teams. A must-have for professional. Use Teams for meeting, chat, and file sharing with your colleagues. Category 4, Photo and Video Editing. Number 12, Snapseed. Enhance your photo like a pro with Snapseed. Adjust colors, apply filters, and fine-tune details effortlessly. Number 13, PixArt. Get creative with PixArt tools for graphic making, photo effects, and custom stickers. Number 14, KineMaster. Edit videos directly on your phone with KineMaster. Great for creating professional quality contents for YouTube or social media. Category 5, Customization and Utility Apps. Number 15, Good Lock. Samsung's own Good Lock lets you customize your phone's interface from the lock screen to the taskbar. Number 16, Nova Launcher. Transform your screen with Nova Launcher's custom icon, gesture, and layout. Number 17, Zedge. Browse thousands of ringtones, wallpapers, and notification sound to personalize your phone. Category 6, Health and Fitness. Number 18, Samsung Health. Track your steps, monitor your heart rate, and stay active with Samsung's comprehensive health app. Number 19, MyFitnessPal. Keep an eye on your diet with MyFitnessPal. Track calories, log meals, and set fitness goals. Category 7, Entertainment Apps. Number 20, Spotify. Stream your favorite music and podcasts with Spotify's vast library of content. Number 21, Netflix. Enjoy the binge worthy series and movies on the go with Netflix mobile app. Number 22, YouTube. No explanation needed is YouTube. Stay entertained and educated anytime, anywhere. Category 8, Shopping and Finance. Number 23, Amazon. Shop for anything under the sun with Amazon app. Easy browsing, faster checkout. Number 24, PayPal. Send money, manage payment and shop securely with PayPal trusted service. Category 9, Travel and Navigation. Number 25, Google Maps. The ultimate navigation app. Explore new places, check traffic and find your way anywhere. There you go, 25 apps that every Samsung Android user should have. Which one are already on your phone and which are you downloading right now? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Life at Hack for more awesome tips. See you in the next video.